Hello! My name is Chef Le Croissant, and today we will be making microwave chicken nuggets. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the freezer refrigerator. Take out microwave chicken nuggets and close the door. Like so. Step 2. Take out the contents of the box, open it up, and take out as much as you would like to eat. Step 3. Take out the plate which you will put the microwave chicken nuggets on. Now, I will have about 5, but you can put as much as you want on your plate. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now we go on to step 4. Step 4. Open the microwave. Like so. Then place the plate with however many microwave chicken nuggets you want and close the door. Now, you can microwave it for as much as you want, but for maximum tastiness, I suggest microwaving it for 1 minute for maximum tastiness. I already said that. Anyway, microwave it for 1 minute for maximum tastiness. That's the third time I said that. And now you just wait for a minute. Minute has passed, and now we go on to step 5. Yes, 5. So step 5. Open the microwave and take out the plate with the microwave chicken nuggets. And careful, it's hot. Ah! And then close the microwave door. Sit down the plate. Add some condiments if you wish. There we go. And now we are to step 6. Eating! Now we take microwave chicken nugget and dip in the sauce. Oh yes, I like the sauce. I like the sauce a lot. Sauce. I like the sauce. I like it so much. And yes. And now your microwave chicken nugget is ready to eat. Like so. Simply scrumptious. So that's all for today. Cooking episode. Tune in next time for another episode where I teach you how to make even more delicious food. And so yeah, that's it. Bye!